Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Fedora Linux 39 on VMWare Workstation. Open any browser, then go to getfedora.org. See here, the latest release is 39. It is the stable version. We have Fedora Workstation, Server, IoT, Cloud and Core OS. The process for Workstation and Server is same. You just click on this download or click on download. Otherwise, click on Get Fedora, then click on the editions. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Workstation. As I told, the process is same for server also. So click on this Workstation, then click on Download Now. Here we have different ISOs. Click on this Fedora Workstation 39 Live ISO by clicking on this download button. See, download has been started. Now go to downloads. See, the size is 2 gigabytes. I have already downloaded Fedora Workstation Live. So I'm cancelling this one. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you haven't installed VMware Workstation, then go through the link provided in the video description. In this video, I'm going to show you Fedora Linux 39 on VMware Workstation Player. The process is same on VMware Workstation Premium Edition or Workstation Player. But Workstation Player is used for non-commercial purpose. Okay, open VMware Workstation. Expand this one. See, I have these many virtual machines. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Then select the install disk image file. Then click on Browse. Then select the downloaded Fedora Linux 39 ISO file. Open. Then click on Next. Here provide the name for the virtual machine. It is not host name. It is just name for the virtual machine. I am giving 39. Then we have to provide the path. Provide the path where you have enough space. New folder, then give the same name, 39. Click on OK. See, I'm going to copy all these virtual machine files and folders in this location. Click on Next. Storage. Here I'm giving 50 gigabytes for the disk size. Then click on Next. This is the summary of the virtual machine. If you are okay with all these settings, you have to click on Finish. Otherwise, if you want to edit any one of them, just click on Customize Hardware. I want to increase memory as 4 gigabytes. If you don't have this much, it's fine. Click on, once you enter, click on Close. Also see here the checkbox, power on this virtual machine after creation. If you don't want to power on, you have to uncheck this one. If you want to power on, just select this one. Then click on Finish. See, virtual machine is going to start. Use up and down arrows and hit enter. Select the first one and hit enter. If you click on this not now, then it is temporary. If you want to install permanently, just click on this install Fedora. Again install Fedora. You can double click. See, it has match. Select the language and click on this continue button. See, the begin installation has been grayed out. Why? Because whatever the options are in red color, those must be filled. Otherwise, it will be in grayed out mode. Okay. So select the installation destination. I'm going with default destination. Then click on done. If you want to modify any one of them, you can modify. Then click on done. See, now we are able to begin installation. If you want to change time and date, you can change. We can change the region and city by this drop down button. Or click on this world map. Suppose if you want Americas, you have like this, you can change. UK, you have to change this London. If you are from India, you have to click on this India map like this. Okay. So I'm not going to change anything. Just click on done. Keyboard, if you want to modify the last one, so you have to click on done. Now click on this begin installation to start the Fedora Linux 39 installation on VMware Workstation. Click on this one. See, installation has been started. This may take time. See, installation has been completed successfully. Click on finish installation. Now we have to restart the virtual machine. Click on this machine, click on here, then restart guest. Otherwise, click on player, then power, then click on restart the guest. Both options are same. So click on restart the guest. Yes. Click on start setup. If you want to enable local services and automatic problematic report, you have to keep them. Otherwise, turn off. Then click on next. If you want to enable third-party repositories, you have to click on this one. Otherwise, click on next. If you want to connect any one of these online accounts, you have to click on them and provide the account details. Otherwise, click on skip. Now, provide the username and password. Full name I am giving as R2 Schools. Username also I am going to keep as it is. Then click on next. Provide the password for this user. Now click on next. Everything is done. Click on start using Fedora Linux. Configuration is successful. No thanks. Click on this show apps. Then open. Then click on terminal. Otherwise, if you have more applications, you can search here terminal. Now verify whether this is Fedora Linux 39 or not by running the command more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Fedora Linux and its version is 39. Also here it is Fedora Linux Workstation Edition. If you want to verify the host name, Ctrl L to clear screen, host name. See, this is the host name. But as I told you earlier, this is the workstation name. Host name and workstation name are both completely different. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Fedora Linux 39 on VMware Workstation. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.